Hey, I'm just kidding. Guys, I'm making a hot honey chicken. Oh my god. We have been cooking this cake for 2+ years and finally I'm reaping the benefits. Don't mind me, I'm at home. I'm honestly feeling a little under the weather, but I got this in the mail straight from Amazon. So big thank you to Bob and Brad for sponsoring this portion of today's fit vlog because I'm obsessed with their massagers. I feel like they're extremely innovative. Like this Eye Oasis 2, I believe is what it's called. I will link it down below, you guys. I was looking at some of the features of this thing and there's 5 different settings, essentially like modes, that you can put this on. Not to mention, this is how loud it is. Here are the buttons. You can tell when it's on, when it's lit up. You press and hold the power button to turn it on and off. There is a music setting to this. You can adjust the volume. Also, there's a heat setting to this as well. And you have the option to adjust and change the mode that you're in. And the girl talks to you. So she lets you know exactly what's going on. While you have this on, you can kind of just be aware of what's happening. Helps to relieve muscle tension. It eases your eye pain and even headaches. It helps to ease dry eyes and straining, reduces dark circles and eye bags. So all of those things are things that I have suffered with, especially the dry eyes. It is adjustable on the back and it's just like a nice, thick, stretchy elastic, but it's definitely a good little gadget. Plus it's compact, so it's easy to travel with.
Air pressure plus heat plus music.
Okay, but I don't want the music. Ooh, it's tight. Okay, I can get with the rain sounds. Ooh. It's like gently compressing my eye area. Not in like a way that hurts, but like around the eyes where I tend to get like headaches and stuff. And it's heated. Oh my god. But it's not like it massages like your eyeballs in like a kneading way. It's more of like a compressive, heat activated sensation. I probably look ridiculous right now, but this is extremely relaxing. I like that it came with its own little case, so easy to take with you wherever you go, and then it comes with a USB cord, so all you need is just a little brick to keep it recharged. And I think this is so cute. So I'll be using this just like I use all the other Bob and Brad products in my recovery routines, and just to help me de-stress and relax. I think this is just something I've never seen before, so go get you one. Good morning, welcome back to a new fitness YouTube vlog. Baby, I got the tea on everything, so it's probably Oxy Shred if I had to guess. Oh, it's actually not. It's some Beyond BCAAs in the mango flavor. Cute. So this could be mixed into basically anything. I need to get my Oxy Shred out the fridge though too, but if you guys want any of my favorite supplements, you guys know you could use my code K10 at checkout over at EHP Labs if you want to support me. But I need to hurry up because it's supposed to storm and I don't want to get caught in rain, but it looks very sunny, so maybe the forecast has changed. I'm not too sure, but I'm excited to try this mango flavor and it sounds really good. So basically BCAAs help with recovery, delayed fatigue, so just basically if you're lifting heavy as heck in the gym and your body just feels so tired, this can help speed up the process of recovery. It has electrolytes for hydration. It helps you with performance. So excited for that. Let's go see Jim. Y'all already know, pre-gym vibes. Gotta get the pumpkin bread. So this is like the first thing that we're eating today.
Kersey, cause I wanna see what it would sound like, right? Can't tame, you can tell by the tail that the dog, but the motherfucking beast on the scale. Work hard, get scarred from the leash that I broke like Bart, not far from the reach of the choke, but I'm reaching the toes. Got heat that'll bleach in your coat. Shit, my needs are keys to the rose, piece to the hose, piece to the pie, but the piece still grows. Get top on the phone. That's what they say, right? Yeah, get top. Watch out for the red dot when you're popping and wanna set shots up a guy. Ready for anything, just to my balance and ready for anything. I'm selling everything and get it by any means. I'm not one to start shit. Crabs in a bucket, I'm sending butt shots to the back of the barrel. My passion's apparently packing the crack to the pass in the back of the stairwell. Get a hazmat for the tendencies. This not Jay and Nas rap, nah. This not Don rap, nah. This ready for combat, soldier and boss that be leading the charge. Who do we know with this many flows that really put soul in the shit? I seen the little jokes and manicure toes and really some hoes in the bitch. I know when it comes to the hunger, I'm fucking that buffet up, no jumper. 22 steaks on the plate, no fluffer. Tupperware packed in the back for my brother. Everyone eats round here, right? Yeah, everyone eats. I been on top of my shit. Walk with a brick. Debo come now, you walk with a limp. When them zeros come, put a comma on it. Comma and comma and comma again. Period. Why you so serious? I got a myriad of flows and you fucking delirious. My name's Kersey. Not Cersei, not Kerchie, none of those. Kersey. Get it right.
Conscious.
Hi guys. I thought I was gonna vlog today, but y'all know they're doing construction at the gym, so it's kind of chaotic. But did you guys see your girl just hit a PR on spam? I really don't be answering my phone. I hit a PR, you guys. I woke up today and I was just like, you know what I feel like doing?
Call rejected.
I feel like putting on 8 plates for my hip thrust, and I was scared, you guys. I was really scared. I was like, girl, you're gonna embarrass yourself. You're not gonna be able to lift this. Lifting it up is the hardest part, but once you got it up, baby, it's up and it's stuck. Like, you can just get a couple of reps at least. But I was like, let me just test the waters, throw on 6 plates and see how it feels weight wise. Some days in the gym I feel weaker than others. Some days I feel really strong in the gym, and it also just depends on, like, if I'm on my cycle, am I, you know, PMSing before I get my period. All that type of stuff definitely plays a factor. But I was feeling really tired this morning. I didn't really want to do my workout, but I was really motivated to just do something for myself and test the waters and see how I feel, because I'll never know if I don't try. So I got 5 little reps. They were kind of messy, but better 5 than nothing at all. And I left the gym just feeling completely different. I felt so proud of myself. I felt like a baddie. I felt strong. I got a couple of eyes looking at me when I was loading on the weight, and I was like, oh god, now I really have to do it, because I don't want to suck her out and like take these plates off and like tell myself I can't do it. And we really are the ones that can be in our own way a lot of the times. So I'm gonna work on my strength. I'm gonna work on my form. I don't think it was too bad, but it was my last set, so I think I could start heavier and maybe do a drop set next time. And that was my last workout for my legs. So usually I'll do my heavier lifts first and then do the rest of my exercises. But I was really feeling kind of ballsy today, you guys. So this is your sign to play around with some weights and test the waters, try to hit some PRs. And I think the most important thing is to get the form down first. And once you have proper form, like, you can really go heavy. Like, that's the only thing. You just don't want to like hurt yourself or pull something. That would be the only worry. But if you have great form, baby, load on the plates and don't be scared. Like, I really had to tell myself, who cares? Like, people are grunting. I was working out without headphones for a minute, and I was just really self-aware, and I needed to go to the gym today mentally, and it just made me feel so much better today. I really wanted to take you guys with me on this journey to getting stronger, and the glutes are gluting. Like, I was noticing for like the first time that we kind of have a shelf going on. Like the way my shirt was sitting on the glutes, like the upper booty, we really did that. We have been cooking this cake for 2+ years, and finally I'm reaping the benefits. 8 plates, that's insane for me. Like, I remember when I could barely do one 45-pound plate on each side. Like, wow. Yeah. Guys, I'm making a hot honey chicken, but like not fried, obviously. I'm sauteing it and it smells so good. I'm gonna just let it get crispy though, because there's some juices in here. And I'm gonna have it over rice and then whatever vegetable I have in the freezer. Cooking it up. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Like, my shirt has something to rest on. We love honey hot chicken coming in hot. I'm also gonna add some of this crunch chili onion and just use it as like a topping. I always mix it up though. It's like an oil base. If you want to get thick, go ahead and get you some of this, because when I tell you the calories, it's 110 calories, you guys, for a tablespoon, and I usually go in with like 2, and it really does add a lot of flavor to our bowl. And I gotta remember that this pan cannot be on high heat because it's ceramic. So you see that? Oh, burn. And I'm not gonna burn my pan. I just bought this pan. Y'all see that flavor? That honey is like caramelizing the chicken. It's getting nice and crispy. And here we go, you guys. I just added some plant-based butter to the peas. Plus there's protein in peas too. Didn't forget that. And I also added some to my rice, and I topped my chicken off, and it is super good. I was already snacking on it, and it's like the perfect blend of sweet and savory. So 10 out of 10 recommend you girls try out that chicken recipe, and it is super quick. So if you have like no time at all, it's perfect. I'm gonna enjoy this, and I will see you girls later.